Hey folks, have you ever wondered which smoothie blender can truly deliver that silky smooth texture every time, whether you're blending leafy greens, frozen fruit, or even ice? Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 smoothie blenders I've personally tested, ranking them from good to best so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen and your cravings. Let's dive right in. 3. Magic Bullet Combo Blender. The Magic Bullet Combo Blender is a compact yet surprisingly versatile blender that's perfect for small kitchens or anyone short on counter space. With a 600-watt motor, it's the most powerful Magic Bullet yet, and it comes with both a 48-ounce main jar and a 15-ounce personal cup. This makes it ideal for both single-serve smoothies and larger batches for the family. In my tests, the Magic Bullet combo handled single-serve smoothies with ease, producing a creamy blend even when I tossed in fibrous ingredients like kale or spinach. The personal cup is a real convenience for busy mornings when you want to blend and go. However, when making larger batches in the main pitcher, I noticed the texture wasn't quite as smooth, sometimes a bit grainy, especially with tougher ingredients. While it's great for basic smoothies, salsas, and even soups, it does struggle a bit with dense veggies or blending ice without added liquid. The controls are simple, but the plastic construction feels a bit basic, and it's not really built for heavy-duty or frequent use. If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-clean blender for everyday smoothies and light blending tasks, the Magic Bullet Combo Blender is a solid choice, though it might not satisfy those with more demanding blending needs. 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. Stepping up in both power and versatility, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender features a 700-watt motor and a unique wave action system designed to pull ingredients down into the blades, ensuring ultra-smooth results. When I tested this blender, I was impressed by its ability to handle everything from frozen berries to leafy greens, consistently producing smooth, drinkable blends. The 40-ounce glass jar feels premium and is easy to clean, and the pouring spout is a thoughtful touch that helps prevent messy drips. With 12 blending functions controlled by a straightforward 5-button panel, it's easy to switch between smoothies, purees, and even chopping tasks. The patented blade design and strong motor mean it crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease, making it great for shakes and frozen drinks. However, the plastic base and lid feel a bit flimsy compared to the sturdy glass jar, and the lid can be tricky to remove, especially when wet. While it's not built for heavy-duty tasks like making nut butters or very thick blends, it's a fantastic mid-range blender for daily smoothies and occasional frozen drinks. 1. Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. Taking the top spot is the Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. A true powerhouse with a 1,000-watt motor and Ninja's signature total crushing technology. In my experience, this blender made quick work of everything I threw at it: ice, frozen fruit, tough greens, and even whole carrots. The large 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making smoothies for the whole family or prepping big batches for meal planning. The total crushing blades create a powerful vortex that ensures everything gets blended evenly, resulting in silky smooth drinks every time. Cleanup is a breeze since the pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. The locking lid is also a nice safety feature, especially when blending at high speeds. The main drawbacks are that it's quite noisy, though that's expected with such a powerful motor, and it does take up a fair amount of counter space. The pitcher is made of plastic, which some users might find less durable over time, especially with frequent ice crushing. Also, while it has multiple speed settings and a pulse function, there aren't as many fine-tuning options as you might find on higher-end blenders. Final thought. So, which blender is right for you? Let me know through a comment.